Assistance for building a successful home business. Every year, millions of American adults discover the pleasures and successes of owning and operating their own business from the comfort of their own home. Whether you are already employed full-time or part-time, the role of a home business owner is highly flexible and can be adjusted to accommodate any existing schedule. These tips and tricks offer excellent insight into the world of home business. Set up a separate email account for your home business, and stay on top of any email received. You should respond to potential customers right away, and be professional and polite. Email should be checked frequently. If you ignore inquiries about your products or services, customers will seek to purchase from your more attentive competitors. You need to be able to listen to your internal time clock if you work at home or own your own business. It's true that there is very little that you can do about when your employer wants you to get up, but when you are in charge, try listening to your own body to determine when you should start your day. Ask the other members of your household to refrain from interrupting or otherwise compromising your work. Keep regular work hours so that they know what to expect. If you have kids, schedule work hours while they are occupied at school or extracurricular activities. Don't leave work materials in common areas where they might be moved or damaged. One good way to jumpstart your home-based business is to send emails to your friends notifying them of your business. This will not only give you your first set of customers, but they can also act as advertisers as they tell more and more people of your business. A website will do amazing things for your home business. It will attract a wider number of prospects, present you as a professional, and serve as the storefront to your business. Unless you are a whiz at site design, hire someone to make your site look as professional as possible. You really don't want to skimp on this, first impressions last. Only promote products you believe in 100%. Find manufacturers that have the type of policies and values you can comfortably stand behind. When you spend a lot of time, money, and effort to build a business and promote products, your belief in those products comes through in everything you do. Track all of your expenses to save money. Internet service and car mileage related to your business are a couple examples of business expenses. Running your own business means that a lot of these expenses are now tax deductible. Small expenses add up to a lot of money, so keeping track of these expenses and deducting them adds to your profit margin. As you have no doubt discovered from watching this video, starting up and succeeding at your own home business is a potentially lucrative opportunity that can be taken by nearly anyone. With the information you have just learned, you will be well on your way to planning out and implementing the first stages of your home business setup. Student loan.